Okay, this is going to be the only original song on this album. I hope you guys like it. It's called High Howling Wind. Little story behind it. I was on a ski lift at A Basin, riding up with this guy from Tennessee, and he's telling me this story while the wind is just howling in my ear, and I'm trying to listen to him, but basically it's about him, he and his girlfriend driving all over the country. He said, hey, I want to go skiing. Let's go to Colorado. She says, no, I don't want to do that. They break up. And then she breaks up with him. And then finally she does want to come to Colorado. So he breaks up with her. Back and forth, back and forth. He told me about all these places that they had driven to, all places that I'd been to, and brought back some old memories. And so I got off that lift, ran into the lodge, wrote down some notes, and all the while this high howling wind is blowing in my ear with this tune, and it turned into this song, High Howling Wind. I hope you like it. The high howling wind screaming through my memories of you, back to a time when we were young and driving through that Texas sun. You're oh so soft skin shining through the cold winds of Michigan, reminding me my only sin was unrequited love again. In the Florida sun, shining, but your darker looks made me run through the early morning gray. Get away, without your love I could not stay. There was too much pain in my mind, I was afraid to look for what I'd find. We were driving back to Tennessee. You were in the truck, but not with me. Know you believe I drove you away. I do not remember it that way. And when you went to find another day, I should have said I love you anyway. There's a high driving through that Mississippi rain. You looked at me with such disdain. I could not see past my own pain from your cold staring eyes. Nothing left for me to surmise. I guess you thought it wasn't much, forgetting